This is where the S-Class story starts. 5 decades of setting the standard for luxury sedans. From the Autobahn cruiser of the 90s to what you're about to see, this badge always meant the best. This red outlined badge is new. The first time an S-Class wears the AMG crest instead of the star. This is the S63E Performance, 791 horsepower wearing a tuxedo, and it somehow makes both work. That Panamericana grille with vertical slats, that's AMG telling you this isn't just another S-Class.
At this length, most cars look slow standing still. This one still looks like it's about to leave. Quad exhaust tips, a proper diffuser, this rear end has more attitude than an S-Class should have. This badge carries a red outline for a reason. Mercedes' way of telling you this one's plugged in. 2 flaps, 2 very different jobs. One takes fuel, the other takes a charging cable. This camera only appears when you need it, hidden the rest of the time. Very S-Class of it. 20-inch wheels, red calipers behind them. Small hints this isn't just here for comfort. In electric mode, this 5,000-pound sedan moves in complete silence. Worth the price alone. Race start engaged, and 1,055 pound-feet launches this thing to 60 in 3 seconds flat. Through the mountain road, active roll stabilization keeps 6,000 pounds shockingly flat. Watch this wheel soak up the pothole without complaint. Real air suspension doing its job. Rear axle steering shrinking the turning circle here. Parking this long car just got easier. At highway speed, the same system flips direction. Stability most sedans simply can't match. Composite brakes hauling this weight down repeatedly without a hint of fade. Driver barely flinches. One twist of this dial, exhaust valves open up. No menus, just an instant change in character. Pouring rain, full power, and the all-wheel drive system keeps this thing completely composed.
This built-in lap timer looks like a stopwatch, but it's tracking every data point in real time. Plug it in overnight, 16 miles of pure electric range, ready for tomorrow's commute. Track mode transforms this gauge cluster. Suddenly, it looks like it belongs in a race car. A GT3 RS pulls up at the light. This heavy hybrid isn't supposed to keep up. It does anyway. In the back, this feels less like a car, more like a very fast hotel suite with heated headrests. Silent through the garage, then the V8 wakes up the second it hits the street. Red for warmer, blue for cooler. Even the ambient lighting pays attention to what you're doing. This V8 alone makes 603 horsepower. The electric motor is basically a very expensive bonus. This motor adds another 188 horsepower with actual Formula One hybrid technology behind it. This battery is tiny for an EV, and that's on purpose, built for power, not range. 9 gears from the engine, 2 more from the motor. A genuinely complicated way to go fast. Air suspension and roll bars working together here, that's what keeps the body flat in corners. This mechanism lets the rear wheels turn opposite at low speed.
Same direction at high speed. Hidden channels feeding air to auxiliary radiators. Even the aero has a job to do here. Here's the whole system working together. Engine, motor, and battery, coordinating all that power.
Step into the back, and this genuinely feels like the nicest room you'll sit in all week. Diamond quilted Napa leather, and the massage function is exactly as good as it sounds. Two glowing screens dominate this dash, both responding instantly to the lightest touch. These rotary dials on the wheel let you change settings without looking away from the road. Reclined, pillow in place, sunshades up. This is executive travel, not just a backseat.
This lap timer interface looks like it belongs on a wrist, not a dashboard, tracking everything. 64 colors of ambient light, and somehow it never feels excessive, just quietly impressive. Burmeister audio in here doesn't just play music, it fills the cabin like a concert hall. 791 horsepower, over 1,000 pound-feet, 3 seconds to 60. Unfair numbers for this size. 16 miles of electric range, charged in a little over 3 hours. A genuinely useful extra. Standard colors or the full manufacturer catalog. There's a shade here for almost every buyer. Against the M760E and the Panamera hybrid, this one simply has more horsepower than either. Starting around $189,800, comfortably past $220,000 once you start checking boxes. Prepaid maintenance plans lock in your costs early. One less thing to think about here. That's the S63E Performance, a luxury flagship that embarrasses supercars at a stoplight.